5 simple morning hacks for a healthier, happier you. Mornings can often feel rushed and chaotic, but they hold the potential to set a positive tone for the entire day. By implementing a few simple hacks into your morning routine, you can enhance your physical health, boost your mood, and increase productivity. In this video, we will explore 5 effective morning hacks that can transform your mornings into a time of renewal and empowerment. 1. Rise and shine with hydration. After a night of restful sleep, your body needs hydration. When you wake up, your body has been fasting for several hours, and it craves replenishment. Start your day with a glass of water, ideally warm, to kickstart your metabolism and flush out toxins. This simple act does wonders for your health. It promotes digestion, improves skin complexion, and increases energy levels. For an added boost, consider infusing your water with lemon or cucumber. Not only does it enhance the taste, but lemon water also aids digestion and provides a dose of vitamin C. This refreshing habit prepares your body for the day ahead and sets a positive tone from the moment you rise. 2. Move your body. Incorporating physical activity into your morning routine is a powerful way to energize both your mind and body. Engaging in just 10 to 15 minutes of movement, whether it's a brisk walk, a short yoga session, or some simple stretches, can elevate your mood and boost productivity. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters, helping you feel more positive and focused throughout the day. If you're pressed for time, consider a quick HIIT, high-intensity interval training, workout. These short bursts of intense activity followed by brief rest periods can maximize your results in a minimal amount of time. Plus, starting your day with physical activity creates a sense of accomplishment and sets the stage for healthier choices throughout the day. 3. Fuel up with a healthy breakfast. Never underestimate the power of a nutritious breakfast. A well-balanced meal rich in protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates is crucial for providing the energy you need to tackle your day. Consider options like Greek yogurt topped with fresh fruits and nuts, a smoothie loaded with spinach and protein powder, or whole grain toast topped with avocado and poached eggs. Eating a healthy breakfast not only fuels your body but also enhances cognitive function. Studies show that breakfast eaters tend to perform better on tasks requiring memory and concentration. When you nourish your body in the morning, you're setting yourself up for success, making it easier to stay focused and engaged throughout the day. 4. Cultivate gratitude. Taking a few moments in the morning to practice gratitude can profoundly impact your mindset. Before diving into the busyness of the day, reflect on 3 things you're thankful for. They can be as simple as a cozy bed, a supportive friend, or even a sunny day. This practice shifts your focus from stresses to the positive aspects of your life, fostering a sense of contentment and joy that can carry you through the day. To make this habit more tangible, consider keeping a gratitude journal. Write down your thoughts each morning to solidify this practice. Over time, you'll likely notice a positive shift in your outlook and resilience against challenges, as gratitude can help combat negative emotions and promote overall well-being. 5. Set intentions for the day. Spending a few minutes each morning outlining your goals and intentions can significantly enhance your focus and motivation. Ask yourself, what do I want to accomplish today? How do I want to feel? Writing down your priorities helps you visualize your day and stay aligned with your goals. This practice is not just about task management, it's about setting a positive tone for your emotional state as well. When you approach your day with intention, you create a sense of purpose that can make even mundane tasks feel more meaningful. Consider using a planner or digital tool to jot down your intentions and revisit them throughout the day to stay on track. In addition to these hacks, incorporating mindfulness into your morning routine can greatly enhance your mental clarity and emotional well-being. Take a few minutes to practice deep breathing or meditation after hydrating and before moving your body. Focus on your breath, allowing your thoughts to settle and creating a calm space to start your day. This practice can reduce anxiety and improve your ability to handle stress throughout the day. Embracing mindfulness not only helps in grounding yourself but also enables you to tackle challenges with a clearer mind. When you make a conscious effort to be present in your morning routine, you cultivate awareness that can extend into your daily activities. This heightened awareness allows you to make intentional choices, fostering a more positive and fulfilling life. Transform your mornings. By incorporating these 5 simple morning hacks, hydrating, moving your body, enjoying a nutritious breakfast, practicing gratitude, and setting intentions, you can transform your mornings into a powerful ritual for well-being. The way you start your day can significantly impact your energy, mood, and productivity, so embrace the morning and take charge of your routine. Remember, it's not just about making changes, it's about creating a lifestyle that fosters health and happiness. As you rise each day, remind yourself that the power to shape your morning, and, consequently, your life, lies in your hands. Start today, and unlock your potential for a healthier, happier you.